In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a referral program to your Wix website. Whether you're a small business or just someone trying to increase your website's reach, a referral program can be an effective way to bring in new visitors. We'll go through the steps together to make sure you can get your program up and running smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Wix website. Once you're logged in and on your homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now, look for the section marked Marketing in your dashboard. By selecting this, you'll open up a suite of options designed to help you boost your business's visibility. Within the Marketing section, you'll find the option labeled Referral Program. Click on that. This is your gateway to setting up the referral program that will connect more people to your business. But before we go any further, it's important to know that Wix requires users to upgrade their website in order to run a referral program. This might seem like a small hurdle, but it's a vital step to take advantage of all the features you'll need. Once you've upgraded, you'll see a few different options unfold in front of you. The first thing you'll notice is a spot to name your program. This is an excellent opportunity to get creative and give your referral program a name that resonates with your brand or entices your audience. It's the first thing potential referrers will see, so make it catchy. Next up, focus on the rewards. One popular choice is to reward your customers with a coupon. This means whenever someone successfully refers a friend, they receive a coupon as a thank you for spreading the word. You can tailor this reward by selecting the type of coupon you want to offer. Perhaps a percentage off, a fixed amount credit, or something unique to your offering. Furthermore, you can specify where these coupons apply. It might be tempting to restrict the coupon to specific products, but applying it to all products can increase the allure for customers to participate in your program. Consumers love flexibility, and the more inclusive your program, the more referrals you're likely to receive. Additionally, a common method to further incentivize your customers is to offer a reward for every friend they refer, like a 10% discount. It's all about encouraging them to spread the word and making both them and their friends interested in what you're offering. Once you've set these details, take a moment to look everything over. Make sure the program aligns with your goals and feels enticing to your audience. Now, all that's left is to click Save. And there you have it, your referral program is live.